Hi everyone! Welcome to AI Whisperer. Today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to analyze a file. Whether it's a research document, spreadsheet, or any other format, this method will save you time and provide detailed insights. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool that can process text-based information, summarize content, and even provide detailed analysis based on your instructions. Before we start, make sure your file is prepared. It should be in a readable format like PDF, Word, or Excel. If your data is unorganized, take a moment to clean it up. This will help the AI process it more effectively. Now let's move to the steps for analyzing a file. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. The first step is to open ChatGPT on your phone or computer. Log into your account, and you're ready to go. Step 2. Create a well-structured prompt. Next, you need to create a prompt to instruct the AI. This is a critical step because a clear prompt ensures accurate results. For example, you could type, "I want you to analyze the following research file," and provide a summary of the key points in each section. By specifying the type of file and the results you expect, you're giving the AI clear directions. Once your prompt is ready, press enter. ChatGPT will respond, letting you know it's ready to analyze the file. Step 3. Attach the file. Now it's time to upload your file. Click the attachment icon at the bottom left of the chat window. Select your file and press enter. ChatGPT will process the file and provide answers based on the instructions you gave earlier. Step 4. Refine the responses. If the AI's initial response doesn't fully meet your needs, don't worry, you can refine the output by creating additional prompts. For example, you might ask for more detailed explanations or highlight specific sections for further clarification. Here's a neat trick. If there's a part of the AI's response that you'd like to improve, simply highlight it, click the quotation mark icon, and enter a prompt to revise that specific section. ChatGPT will adjust its response based on your input. Step 5. Perfect the results. Finally, continue refining the response until you're satisfied. Remember, the quality of your prompts is key. Clear and detailed instructions lead to the best results. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to analyze a file in just a few steps. It's quick, efficient, and super handy for extracting key insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Whisperer, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.